Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. Well, Morgan Stanley in their recent note says the Indian bull market is here to stay. Hormaz is joining us with the key highlights of that note. Hormaz.
We've been in a long phase of the bull market, right, with a lot of these participants in the street calling it an aging bull market. But Morgan Stanley is of the view that this aging bull market still has more legs to run ahead. Now, what the note says is that the bull market has now overtaken the 2003 to 2008 period in terms of length, although the returns of this bull market is just a third of what the market had seen in the 2003 to 2008 period. Now, the earnings cycle as well, the quarters recently have been disappointing, but they say that the earnings cycle is midway and the valuations too are not rich for our markets. Now, why can the Indian market last, the bull market last longer? According to Morgan Stanley, they're saying that the private investment cycle is picking up and that can extend the earnings cycle, which will further make valuations attractive going forward. The domestic inflows that have supported the markets all these months, it's not likely to fade away anytime soon as well. What they also say is that there are prospects of more free trade agreements, rupee trade, and that will further add a boost to the growth estimates as well. The per capita energy consumption, according to Morgan Stanley, is likely to increase in the next decade, and they see an upside to both earnings as well as valuations going forward. So in this regard, what you should own and shouldn't own, Morgan Stanley believes that you should own financials, consumer cyclicals and industrial cyclicals in the next leg of this bull market, and what you shouldn't own includes the likes of staples, utilities, healthcare and telecom. So these are some of the sectors that Morgan Stanley is a little cautious on, but is betting on financials, consumer cyclicals and industrial cyclicals.
Okay, and Jefferies too has come out with the India